Hey everyone, I'm Rahi Patel, your curiosity correspondent, and in this challenge, I want you to explore the world of water pressure. Find a container you can poke a hole in. Fill it up with some water and see what happens. What happens if you make the hole larger? What if you made a hole above this hole? How would these changes affect the speed of the water coming out? Experiment with these questions and use what you learn to make something. What other inventions can you come up with? What? You are learning the same science used in hydroelectric dams. These dams use water pressure to generate electricity for us. And I can show you how with this milk jug. Hydroelectric dams have walls that people build to restrict water from flowing. You can think of the outside of this milk jug as the wall of the dam, and the water inside as the river that it's blocking. The dams have gates at the bottom that operators can open and close. To mimic that, I have a piece of tape on the hole. When operators of the dam open the gates, water flows out at a high speed like it does out of this milk jug. So how does this high-speed water generate electricity? In dams, the high-speed water is directed to these things: giant water turbine generators. The force of the high-speed water causes the water turbine generators to spin and generate electricity. To show how this works, I built an itty-bitty water turbine generator out of a servo motor and a plastic cup. But don't worry about doing this part, because you probably won't have one of these at home. I hooked up my mini water turbine generator to something called a voltmeter, which gives us an idea of how much electricity is generated. Look, there's no electricity produced right now. But watch what happens when I put it in this stream. I'm generating electricity. The power! How else can you harness the energy in the water? Try different things and be curious. I hope you have a blast.